guys, it's Rachel, and today I'm back with this beautiful planner from Wordsworth Planner. Wordsworth Planner reached out to me on Instagram and asked me if I would like to try one of their planners, and I said yes. They do a few different colours and a few different layouts. I'm not sure which one they have sent me. I just let them send me whichever one they wanted me to have. It was covered in cellophane, and there was also some tissue paper inside of it, but I have taken all that out just for the purpose of the video, so you're not waiting to watch me struggle to open it, because you know what I'm like. But I haven't actually looked inside to see what the planner is. So it comes in this beautiful box, which I just think is a really nice way to present it, and it would be such a good gift as well. It's got a little information book inside that tells you how to use your planner. I'm not going to flip through all the pages, but we'll just have a quick look. So it looks like it's got some inspiration inside. It's going to tell you how to get the best out of your planner, how to be productive. I will have a look through that myself later on, because I saw some really good pages in there. And then we've got the planner inside. So we've got a couple of little sort of page marker, little ribbons at the bottom there. And here is the planner. So it looks like I've got a black one. We've got the logo down there on the front. You can see the sort of material. It feels really nice. It feels good quality. It's sort of grained. Is that what you would call it? It's not smooth. It's sort of, well, it is smooth, but it's sort of textured, which is really nice. And then on the back there, we've got Wordsworth Planner. I'm just noticing that there is a piece of elastic, that you would fold over the top, which is really good. I like having that on my planners. I don't tend to carry my planners around with me, but I do like them to have some kind of closure on them. So we've got the first page where you just put your name. Oh, it looks like we've got some more pages to help you be productive. Then we've got your years at a glance. So it does say 2019 and 2020 on here. Now, this is the only dated place in the planner. It is actually, I've lost the little thing. Where's the little thing that I had? There was a little band around it, and I just took it off, but I think it's fallen on the floor. So this is the 2019 version, as in this edition of the planner, but it is undated. Aside from these two pages, which have got the year at a glance on here, the rest of the planner is undated, which is nice, because it means that as we're in July, I can start this planner. I think I'll start it from Monday. So we've got a yearly overview, which I'm just thinking is going to be perfect to put birthdays in and anniversaries and things. I've got a yearly overview of my Hobonichi, which I use as a step tracker, which is also really useful. So there's tons of uses for a page like that. Then we've got some contact pages. We have got password reminder pages, time zones. Oh, that's good, because I'm always looking for time zones for American shops and Canadian shops that open, and I don't want to miss the sales. We've got some travel planning, and then we're into the goal section. So we've just got some pages here to fill in to help you to work out your goals for the year, or maybe look, it says fears and strengths, passions and values, things that could be hindering your progress or helping you to get on better. Magical triplets for the year ahead. Then we've got a goal mind map. Not sure how to use that page, but I am sure that there's a page in the little information book that will help me out. Then we've got vision board inspiration. We've got some personal goals, family, friends and relationship goals, and professional goals. And then we are into the monthly and the weekly. So we've got an undated month there. We've got a little space for the month's goals. We've got some notes, and we've got some focus down the side. And then, so I got this view. Right, okay, so this is actually the one that I was hoping for. I did see one that had a scheduled, the days were going down that way, and they had sort of a scheduled time on it, and then they had some goal bits at the bottom. I would have still been happy with that planner, and I would have used it, but I probably would have washed out the timed areas, because I don't work. I'm a stay-at-home mum, so I don't really have any need for a timed planner. But this is what I was hoping for, because what I'm going to do, I think I'm just going to use it as a big to-do list. I'm going to stop using my Dutch drawer inserts, even though I do love them and they do work for me. I'm going to stop using the Dutch drawer inserts, and I'm going to start doing a to-do list in here. So we've got a little space for the week's top focus, I'm grateful for, and reflection, And then we've got the spaces on the left side of the days where you could put appointments in or what you did for the weekdays. And then we've got a to-do list for the right-hand side. And then the Saturday and the Sunday are just the two smaller boxes, but I will still be using those as a to-do list. So I'm really happy that I got this layout. So how I think it works is you get the month there, and then I think you get the right amount of weeks. Let's have a look. And then you move, you move into the next month, and then so on and so on. So you've got the full 12 months. And then you get your review of the last month. You also get a habit tracker as well, I should have said. At the end of every month, let's have a look. Yeah, I'm right. At the end of every month, there is a monthly reflection, a review of the month gone by, and you've got your habit trackers as well. I'm really happy to see that it's got habit trackers in. I do have a few things that I track. I have some medication that I track, and I also like to track when I've been wearing my contact lenses. I'm very new to contact lenses just before the pandemic started, and I was trying to figure out if it would be more cost effective for me to buy them monthly or weekly. So being able to track when I've had them on is going to help me with that. I've not been wearing them at all during the pandemic because I've no need to. I just wear my glasses in the house. So we've got the last month's review there, and then we are into the year's review. And then after that, we've just got some plain bullet journal pages all the way to the end, I think. Let me check. Yeah, all the way to the end. So you've got a monthly and you've got a weekly and you've got some goals. If you were the type of person that sometimes needed a daily, you could draw yourself one out on here, or this could be some kind of big to-do list. I'm just going to use this as a note section, how I use it in my Hobonichi. I have a list of bills that I have to pay and when I pay them. I think I've got a list that's got my favourite candle scents in that I've tried, or ones that I don't like. Yeah, and speaking of my Hobonichi as well, actually, we'll just do a test of the paper colour. So it looks like it's pretty white to me. Put it next to the Tomo River paper and you can see the difference. I've also got a piece of paper out of my printer as well. It looks pretty white. I would say that was a pretty good true white. You can see you've got the dot grid on there as well. I'll just hold it up so you can see. So yeah, I'm really excited to use this planner. So we've got to the end, we've got a back pocket, and we have got the elastic, like I said. There's an elasticated pen loop. Oh, we have got some, if I can get them out, we've got some stickers in the back. These look like they'd be really good for the monthly view. Let me have a look and see if they'll fit. Yeah, they're going to be perfect size for your monthly view. So we've just got 1, 2, 3 sheets there. Some important events, birthdays, night out, vacation, today. So yeah, overall, my first impressions on this planner are really, really good. I think it's going to work well for me. I'm just going to keep it open on my desk. Big to-do list. I don't think I'm going to use too many stickers. I am going to use stickers because let's face it, it's me. But what I will probably do, I'll just show you. I am probably going to use it in this style. So I'm just going to quickly show you the inserts here that I was using. These ones. Let's get to the right week. So I'm going to use them like that, I think. So this section here, where I sort of sticker what I've done, I will probably use on this side here. And then I have got the to-do lists that I've been doing down the side, and they will go down here. So I think that this is going to work really, really well for me, and I'm really excited to get into it. So yeah, I will keep you updated on my Instagram of how I'm using it. Oh, sorry, I just knocked the camera, it's wobbling. I'll keep you updated on my Instagram, how I've been using it. I'll pop some pictures up. In the meantime, Wordsworth Planner did let me know that there was a code that you guys could use. So if you use WP2020, you'll get 30% off your order. Now that does need to be on the Wordsworth Planner website. You can also get these planners on Amazon, but I believe that discount code is not valid over there. So go to the website and get the discount. But yeah, that is it for now. I'm going to jump straight in and set this up, I think. I'm really, really excited to use it. So if you like this video, if you could give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I'll love you forever, and I'll see you soon. Bye.